Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to change PIN or PIN or password on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to your browser. Now, if you want to change your password, I'm gonna show you how it's done. It says go to the settings, touch ID and passcode, and on the devices without touch ID, go to the settings, passcode. If you have an iPhone X, go to settings, facial recognition and passcode, tab change passcode. So I'm gonna go back to my screen to demonstrate. Go ahead to the settings and simply scroll a little bit down till you find the facial recognition and passcode, and then basically enter your own passcode right here on your iPhone. And basically, if you want to change it, you can just scroll a little bit down, and change the passcode by entering your oldest or your original passcode and then enter the new one. Alright, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.